we do not merely see great works of art. Great works of art empower us to see ourselves. A truly powerful piece of art changes us and the world around us. It enlightens us. It does more than bring a smile to our face and a sense of warmth to our emotions. Consider films. They have a poignant way of touching our hearts, telling us who we are and showing us who we could be, all while leading by example. Only medium where words, sounds and vision unite in epic poetry. What movies have made you think twice? Was it The Pursuit of Happiness that made you want to be a better person? Or was it Ice Age, which made you think about the way you treated the environment? The simple truth is, a film that makes us laugh, cry, think, wonder and feel something new is the fastest and easiest way to create momentum behind causes and issues that can make our world a better place. This is what we believe in, art for human enlightenment, and we are Veena Vetika. www.veenavetika.com. Join us on Facebook and Twitter.